Good evening. I'm Donna Sikes. Can you hear me in the back? Okay. I'm glad to be here tonight. I want to thank the Chamber and the Farm Bureau for having this. I want to especially thank all of you for coming out and giving me the opportunity to speak to you. For those of you who don't know me, I grew up in Jackson County and graduated from Jefferson High School. I'm a double dog. I received my law school degree as well as my undergraduate degree from UGA. I've practiced law for the last 21 years, and I've represented people in probate court for all of those 21 years. I've served as an attorney for the Jackson County Water and Sewer Authority and for the City of Arcade. I've also owned and managed several successful small businesses and supervised up to 25 employees. I've served the county in volunteer organizations as a member of the Jackson County Industrial Development Authority and chairman, and as a member of the Chamber of Commerce, both as a director and graduating from the Chamber Leadership Program. I'm also a member of Apple Valley Baptist Church. Over the past 2 decades, we've seen our county explode with growth. That growth has brought before the court more complex legal issues and more people needing court services. Now's the time for Jackson County to have an attorney as their probate judge. Someone who has an education and understanding of the law, someone who has experience, knowledge, and training to make sound judicial decisions, and someone who has the professionalism to guide the court forward. My legal education, experience as an attorney and business owner, and my community service all make me uniquely qualified to be your probate judge. Ladies and gentlemen, I want the opportunity to serve you as your probate judge, and I would appreciate your vote for me. Thank you. Well, I think I itemized some of the things already that I had done. While I was on the IDA, I assisted in bringing a good many businesses to Jackson County, such as Caterpillar and Freightliner and several others into the different industrial parks. During that time, we at the IDA helped complete the development of our industrial parks across the county. So that was one community activity and leadership role I had. On the board of directors of the chamber, we hosted the red carpet tours to try to attract businesses here, and I assisted with that. Basically, those were, I guess, the main leadership roles that I had. I'm also a graduate of the Chamber Leadership Program, which provides a lot of education and training on leadership qualities for the community. As an attorney, I'm well aware of the legal issues that surround the probate court, and nowadays, with the economy being so bad, there are an awful lot of people who come to probate court who are representing themselves, and that's even more of a reason that you need an attorney for a judge to analyze the legal issues and to make sound judicial rulings, because you don't have attorneys representing those people to point those out to you. Also, in the past, I've represented people in every area of the probate law. I've done pro bono work being appointed, as well as for private clients. I've tried cases on wills and caveats to wills. In other cases, I've represented people as guardian ad litems. I've represented people as their attorney, both in guardianships, incapacitated adults, in every area of the probate court. I believe a probate judge should have a good legal education and background. And of course, I have a degree in law from the University of Georgia School of Law. I believe that a probate judge should have professionalism to conduct the court in a professional manner, and that is something I bring to the court as being an attorney, and a code of ethics that we have to follow. And I believe the probate judge needs experience and training in that area. My experience as an attorney for 21 years representing people in probate court, all of those years, makes me uniquely qualified. And also my experience as a small business owner and supervising other people makes me qualified to deal with the budget issues that the probate court experiences, as well as all the county courts, or all the county courts and offices experience. So I think those three characteristics make me qualified to be probate court judge. I agree with a lot of what the other three candidates have said. I think that you would need to find out if there was actually a need for that service first. And then again, you have to consider the staffing, the expenses, again, the equipment, and whether or not the office can handle the additional volume as staffed. And so I believe that we all sort of agree on that. It is a full-time position, and you are required, if you're an attorney, not to practice law. So there would be no question that I could not maintain my law practice. In closing, I would like to say again that I appreciate you all coming out to listen to us. It's very important, and I know you're busy. Although probate judges in Georgia are not required to be attorneys if the population is less than 95,000, it's certainly an asset to be one. Most of the counties around us have attorneys as probate court judges. The legal issues are complex in probate court. More and more people who are representing themselves do not have attorneys to point out to the judges what the legal issues are. Therefore, the judge has to determine those. I believe being an attorney and having the legal experience of actually trying cases before the probate court and representing people in all areas of probate practice give me a unique qualification to be your probate judge. And I certainly would appreciate your vote. I really want the job. Thank you.